Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mobile Legends. First, let's cover the fundamental layout of the game. The map features 3 main lanes, top, mid, and bottom, each leading to the enemy base. You will also encounter 5 distinct hero roles, each with unique strengths. Understanding these roles and the map's key objectives, such as turrets and the powerful Lord, is crucial for your initial success in the game. Each of the 5 roles plays a vital part in your team's strategy. Tanks absorb damage and control enemies, while fighters offer a blend of damage and durability. Assassins are designed for quick eliminations, and mages unleash powerful magic from afar. Marksmen provide consistent physical damage, becoming very strong in the later stages of the game. Knowing your role's strengths helps you contribute effectively. Mastering core mechanics is key to victory. Always aim to last-hit minions to maximize your gold income, which is essential for buying powerful items. Use the tall grass or bush to surprise enemies or escape danger. Securing jungle buffs provides temporary but significant stat boosts. Focus on pushing lanes to destroy enemy turrets and always coordinate with your teammates for successful ganks and objective captures. Smart itemization and strong teamwork are paramount. Choose items that not only enhance your hero, but also counter your opponent's strengths. Be flexible and adjust your build as the game progresses. Effective communication through quick chat and pings is vital for coordinating plays. Always join team fights to secure objectives like the Lord or Turtle, and remember that consistent practice will sharpen your skills and map awareness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.